JJ.A.C Tech Channel. V380P2, Smart Outdoor Pan-Tilt Camera, Unboxing and Installation. 270-degree horizontal rotation and 90-degree vertical rotation. Video resolution, 1920 by 1080 at 25 frames per second. 4mm fixed lens. 4x optical zoom. Full color, for white lights and 4 infrared lights. Night vision distance up to 30 meters. Two-way audio and motion detection alarms are supported. Connectivity, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and RJ45 Ethernet, does not support PoE. MicroSD cards up to 128 GB are supported. IP65 water resistance. Package contents, installation guide, mounting brackets and kits, 12-volt DC power adapter, V380P2 unit. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.